Hi guys, today we're going to install the covers for the steering wheel of the 2025 Toyota Tacoma. The goal is to cover this silver inserts on the steering wheel and make them this color. This color is called black wood grain, and the idea is very simple. It will go on top. We have two different plates that will go on top of the original silver cover and will hide them completely. The good thing about these overlays is they do not obstruct the airbag at all, and besides that they also match the one that we already have on the central console around the gear shift lever. The installation is very straightforward, guys. It has double-sided tape in the back, and right now we shall install both of them. We will use isopropyl alcohol to clean the surface where the panel will go. Wipe off the surface. This alcohol won't damage your plastic. Look at the dirt, guys. Again, that's one of the reasons why we are installing these panels, because this surface will get scratched and it will get dirty, and that's why we decided to use our plastic panels on top, because if they get damaged, you guys can simply remove them and you will still have a new looking vehicle. Remove all the protective film from both covers. We will also use the heat gun on both covers to warm up the tape. This will ensure proper bonding. In summer, when it's hot outside, you don't necessarily have to do it, but if it's cold, definitely you should use a gun like this. You can also use a regular hairdryer. And now I will apply it, so guide it through first, and then align the panel, guys, and then start to apply the pressure on the tape. You need to hold it for a few seconds. Keep pressing until the tape gets attached all around. And the second one. Same idea. Make sure that these ends go in first, and then we'll start to push it with your fingers. This is the end result of our installation. The silver cover is completely hidden, and this is how it's going to look like. The new plastic cover goes inside on the sides as well, and again, guys, this is how it looks now. As I said, it does match our central console piece. It does create a bit of an extra layer on top, but the buttons are still accessible on the steering wheel. Same on the left side, but again, this is something to consider when you guys install these, because it will add a little bit thickness on top of the steering wheel. If you guys are interested, I will leave you a link for these products in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.